Hi, Ate.
Tosi, dito pisa.
Let's eat breakfast.
Let's eat breakfast.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, everyone. We're here at
May extra ako.
Tagaytay.
Tagaytay.
Hi, DC.
DC, hi, si Mami. DC,
DC.
Nakatitig ka lang. Pinuputok tayo isa.
Oh, you try it. You try it.
Ano sabi ng horse?
Anong sabi ng horse sa'yo? Nini? Where's the horse? Asan yung horse? Dali.
Puro mo yung horse.
Ano sabi?
Paano sabi ng horse? Ano sabi ng horse? Nay.
Oh, let's go. Say hi. Ate Olivia.
Olivia, smile, Olivia.
Isa lang akin dito, Toy. Toy, isa lang akin dito.
Hawak lang ha. Yes, love. Wow!
Olivia.
Hi. Say hey, anak. Hey. Wow, ate ko.
What about that chocolate donut over there?
Hi, DC.
Asa oras mo?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Yay! Papa, busy! See the bird? Upo, sit down. Sa baba dyan. Basement parking.
Hi, Lucia. That's a big bear, ate. Hi.
209 tayo.
Let's go to our room. Come on, anak. Hi, guys. Nandito tayo sa Twin Lakes ngayon. Let's have our room tour. Pasok. Tayo ng pangalan ng room natin.
Deluxe.
This is a deluxe room. Pasok kayo. So, here. Pagpasok, meron tayong cabinet sa right side. So, dito, yan, we have safety lock. Tapos mga spaces for our things. Meron din tayo dito sabitan ng mga damit, bathrobe. Dito, lagay ng luggages. They have free sleepers here. Tapos, dito naman sa left side, meron tayong bathroom. So, pagpasok, of course, may lavatory, may shower area. Tapos, meron din tayong, of course, CR. Meron na din ditong mga towels. Best part is, we have a bathtub. Tapos dito, pwede mo pang i-open yung blinds para makita mo yung loob na room. Yan. So, hi, DC! Let's check our bed. So, dito pala, meron din tayong parang coffee station. So, meron pa nito na tubig, free water. We have a mini refrigerator, a full-length mirror. And we have 2 beds. Yan. Pwede din kayong mag-option na 1 king-size bed. And anong size na ito tayo?
Queen.
Queen-size bed. So we have, I think, a 55-inch TV. Tapos dito may station, mirror. Pwede kayong mag-work dito. Tapos, yung best part, we have our veranda. So, syempre, ang view natin is yung Taal Lake. Come on! Ayan siya. Tapos, dito banda yung swimming pool natin. Yun lang muna guys. Later, magsiswimming tayo at saka ipapakita pa namin sa inyo ibang mga facilities ng hotel. Before, dito din kami nag-i-stay. Ito yung Merlot. So, Airbnb yung pinag-i-stayan namin before dyan. Hello mga mahal! Ang ganda dito, Tay! Ate, do you like it here?
Yes.
Hi, Pogi ko!
Sino ba? Ako ba o si Daisy?
Dalawa. Are you gonna swim at the bathtub, anak? Hi!
Mommy, did you know?
What?
Did you know we had to leave the bus at our feet?
Hi guys! We're going to the swimming pool. Hi, ate ko!
Hi.
Hi, Tay! Let's swim!
Let's show them.
Oh, ayun yung swimming pool nila. Let's go, love! Let's go, love!
Let's go. Wait.
Hello! Hi!
Hello.
Ah.
May kids corner.
So, ito yung mga pwedeng puntahan. And we are going to the swimming pool. Let's go to the swimming pool area.
Ilan po sila mo?
4. Wow, it's so pretty!
Ay, pag nagsalita yan, madaldal yan. Ganun yun eh.
Hi, love!
Si Sam! Si Seth! Si Seth!
Hello!
Pinagupitan mo. Di ba yung buhok niya mahaba yun?
Ito si Sam yun.
Anak,
Hi.
are you having fun?
Yes, it's actually
Is the water cold?
a little hot,
A little hot?
but
It's
it's okay
warm.
now. When I put it my swim a lot of time, it's warm
Oh,
now.
you'll try to swim na, go. You want to remove the floaters? Come on. Come on.
Is actually the coming here
Yes.
soon?
Yes.
But I'm going to tell her first
go.
how
You
good
go, you
is the
swim.
water.
Okay.
Hi.
Let's swim.
Let's swim, but Ate Olivia's almost coming.
Let's wait for Ate Olivia.
Okay, for Ate Olivia. Hi.
Let's swim.
Let's go at the door, Mama.
Ay, wow.
Almost there.
Hi.
And I'm almost there, Mommy.
DC leaving the light.
Bab. Bab. I will go back, Mommy.
Oh, not yet. Let's go. We'll take a selfie. Wow, you're so cute. Ooh. The view is so nice. Hi, Tay.
There's the
Hi, love. Ang ganda ng view dito.
Mga birds.
Medyo warm yung water. Actually, baka heated. Heated ba siya talaga, Tay? Hi, Lolo. Hi, Lola.
Hi, I'm swimming. Mom.
Oh, you float. Show them how to float, love. Oh, galing. So, ito yung hotel. Ayan. Ang ganda. Doon, 3 feet yung lalim. Tapos, yung dulo dito, 5 feet doon. Ang ganda. Almost here? Come on. Okay, let's go. Let's swim.
Go to mommy.
Again, the beautiful view of Tagaytay. Hello, baby.
Ay, dito na lang po. Sorry. Yeah, sa inyo yan na daw.
Okay, thank you. Baby, oh, look, oh. Your shake. Yay! You like that? Yeah, okay. Thank you po. Yes. Let's see. Pizza, chicken nuggets, sisig, chop suey, and bulalo.
Maganda yung resulta mo.
Welcome to the playroom. Hi, Tay. Hi, DC. Where is DC? Wow.
Ano sabi ng horse?
Ano sabi ng horse? Ooh. How about the balls? Where are the balls?
Punta mo yung balls, punta mo
Go
yung
to the balls. Go, go. Oh, play. Oh, play tayo.
Pengi ball, pengi.
Wow, give tatay a ball.
Pengi ball.
So, meron ditong playroom. Ang ganda ng mga designs. Tayo, let's try, oh. Look. How do you play this? So, may mini slide. May mga maliit na swing. Meron din mga books. Ayan. So, kung may mga toddlers kayo, perfect siya na paglaruin dito. Ang lamig din, air-conditioned din siya. Mommy and DC will play. Wee! Wee! Op! Op! Oh, mommy. Oh, galing! Very good, love. Let's go. Punta tayo sa ibang mga rooms. Ha?
Sa Facebook.
Okay. Tay, check ko lang ibang mga rooms. I'll be right back. So, dito tayo sa next one. Tignan natin. This one is the game room. So, ayan. Pagpasok, may mga chessboard. Meron din ditong billiards. Tingnan natin. Siguro kailangan mo munang magpaalam para makuha yung mga bola. Let's go to the hotel gym. Gym lang, but ito yung gym nila. sa labas yung swimming pool. Where's ate? Lucia! May! Hello! And let's go back to DC. Ayun, so marami din naman mga magagandang activities and amenities na room dito sa hotel. Let's go back to DC and Tatay. Hi, love! Mommy's back. Wow! Nandun yung anak matay.
Solid dito, solid.
Solid, yes. Ang ganda. Super sulit. May nakita ako dito. Twin Lakes Wine Gallery. Check natin kung anong meron. Ang ganda ng walkway. Ang ganda din ng mga sunflower. Meron pa ng ganito dito. Ayan. Siguro, pwede kayong mag-pictures dito. Ayan yung mga sunflower. Check ko kung saan pwedeng dumaan. Tingnan natin yung nakaharap yung mga sunflowers. Ang ganda. Yan. Ah, ito yung mga I think grapes. Wine, kaya wine gallery. So, yung mga parang mga steps na yan. Parang mini farm siguro ng grapes yan. Ang ganda ng view. Sobra. Sayang, feeling ko kasi, hindi ko alam kaya doon nakaharap yung mga sunflower. Dahil kung nakaharap daw sila, kung nasan yung araw. Kaya ganun yung view. So pretty. Tapos let's go there. Ang ganda nung panahon today. Hindi siya, well, dahil summer na, hindi na siya malamig. Pero sakto lang yung init niya. Okay. Daan na siya pa punta sa entrance ng Twin Lakes Vineyard. Here. So, may mga Airbnb dyan. Doon sa baba. Na-try na namin doon stay before twice. And this is our first time na mag-stay sa Twin Lakes Hotel. Tignan nyo, ang ganda ng view dito. Ang ganda ng hotel. Yun lang, balik muna tayo kay Luchi. Nag-e-enjoy mag-swimming dun sa infinity pool. See you later! Magme-Merry Grace sana kami kaso sarado na. It's already closed! Tara, hanap tayo na iba. Meron din pala ditong 7-Eleven. Sa taas lang to ng Twin Lakes. May Hapchan. May Panda Manila. Meron din, of course, Starbucks. Mayo, there's a nutcracker. What's that? May basement parking din pala sila dito. Ayan. Malaki naman yung parking actually. Para sa mga guests. Wow! Pretty pala dito.
Mga functional siguro.
Ah. Hey love. DC, go to tatay. Okay, very good. Oh, here. DC, go inside love. Oh, marunong makipag-unahan. Oh, wait for me.
Nahipagbardago lang si DC.
Hi, anak. You're so cute. Welcome back. Hi guys. So, nakapagpalit na kami ng pantulog. Ayan si DC. Ate, you're sleepy na din. That's it for today guys. See you again tomorrow. Good night everyone. Good morning, love. Hi. Good morning. Give mommy that. Good morning po. And also to my ate, good morning. Baby loves. Trank. Good morning. Tay. Where's the card? Let's go and have some breakfast. Ayun sa Ladisi. Come on, love. Here, kay tatay. Whee! Hi, ate. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Oh, let's go, love. Go ahead, anak. Good morning, bunnies.
Mommy, after we can be another little baby.
Sure. Let's go. Hanapin mo sila Ate Olivia, ano?
Okay po, enjoy your breakfast.
Let's go to Ate. Ayun si Ate. Let's find Ate. Ayun si Ate Olivia. Oh, go to Ate. Ate, good morning. Say. Wow. Wow, may power shots. Meron pala silang breakfast buffet. Condiments. Meron bilis. Pinapa, tuyo. Beef tapa, longganisa. Chicken tocino. Veggies. Pancakes. Pita breads. They have soups. Bacon. And pwede siguro magpagawa ng omelette. Ang cute ng mga eggs. Let's eat! Meron din pala silang salads. Cheese. Dressings. Fruits for dessert. Watermelon. And mga kakanin. They have breads then. Oh, yan saya. Cold cuts. Cheese. Breads. Toasted breads and jams. Go na tay! Good morning, love.
Okay lang.
I'll go to DC.
Hi, 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 hi.
Hi! Careful. Hello. DC, mommy. Hi, love. That's me. We're going home. Let's say goodbye to the view. Bye, view. DC, let's go. Let's go, anak. Let's go. Ay, si tatay. Bye, room. Bye, room. Ate, say bye, room. Thank you. We're going home. Let's turn off the TV. Bye. Let's eat lunch. Ate. DC is sleeping. Nandito kami ngayon sa Lime and Basil.
Okay lang lumalabas.
One of their best sellers.
Parang shrimp pala to.
Oh, nice. Flying flowers. Hi, DC. Uwi na kami. Tingnan natin yung flowers. Wow. No.
No.
Mommy, wait.
What?
Over here. Look, there's leaves.
Yes.
Even that one.
Sige. Yun lang, guys. See you again on the next one. Bye.
Pagod na.